Welcome to Toddlers Art Hub. Today, we're drawing something super cool, a cute rainbow iPad. It's so much fun and really easy to make. Welcome to Toddlers Art Hub. So, grab your black marker and let's get started. Let's begin by drawing a big rectangle for the iPad. This will be the main shape of our drawing. On the top left corner of the rectangle, draw a small rectangle. Inside it, add some tiny circles to create the camera details. Now, in the middle of the iPad, draw the Apple logo. It's like a little apple with a small leaf at the top. Below the Apple logo, draw a tiny mouth and two adorable closed eyes with eyelashes. How cute is that? Under the cute face, write iPad Pro in small letters. Then, add 3 small circles at the bottom of the iPad for extra detail. On the top right corner, let's draw 2 small heart shapes. This makes our iPad extra lovable. Next, draw a slim rectangle with a pointed tip beside the iPad. This is the touch pen. Now, go over your drawing with the black marker to make the outline bold and sharp. Wow, doesn't it look amazing? Great job!
Yay!
Now it's time to color. We're using rainbow colors to make it vibrant and fun. Red color.
Wow!
Orange color.
La 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 la. Beep 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 beep.
Yellow color. Green color. Blue color. Purple color.
Yay!
Cream color. Pink color.
Wow!
Fantastic!
Wow!
You did such an amazing job. Your rainbow iPad looks absolutely adorable. Don't forget to show it to your family and friends. Thanks for drawing with me today, and I'll see you next time. Bye-bye.
Yay!
Don't forget to like and subscribe. See you in the next video.